on this elevator at the brand new Pharmacy and Health Professions building here in University of Maryland Eastern Shore in Princeton Sand, Maryland. Sorry about the sound being cut off, that's all. We all know it's a Delaware elevator with prestige fixtures. Go out. Here it comes. Good. So let's go up to 3. Anywhere 3. Now let's go ring the bell. That's more like it. Let's go back to 1. Door goes up. Wait, silent, Ned. Now let's go get our cab view. Hey, this cab, they call it the elevator. Stickers over there, emergency room button, and capacity is 3,500 pounds. Anyway, one. I like those new prestige fixtures. So good. So it's closed. And that's it.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here. If you want to watch more videos, click either one of them.